Parents have always affected children immensely. That is what hypno-parenting is about. Hypno-parenting is making parents aware of how much they're actually hypnotizing their child. Now, during the pandemic, children have been with their parents a lot more. Has that affected the child into maybe some disorders that we see more of now, or that we will see more of when the child grows up? I believe it depends on the suggestions that the parents have given them. Join me at the NGH convention on Friday at 11 to discuss more. How can we help parents prevent disorders such as OCD or PTSD? All the suggestions that parents might have given their children or did actually give their children that will cause maybe a nocebo effect. Let's see how we can reverse that and help parents affect their children more positively. See you then.